Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the last topic of this unit, alcohol, phenol, aldehyde and ketone and carboxylic acid. So in the carboxylic acid, last two reaction will be today we discuss here. It is called as what? The first reaction, that is called as decarboxylation. Number 1 point here, decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. You know what is the decarboxylation? So the process in which the remove of carbon dioxide or CO3 molecule, carbonate molecule, called as a decarboxylation. It means remove of oxygen, remove of CO2 from the carboxylic acid. So remove of the CO2 molecule from the carboxylic acid called as a decarboxylation. Clear hai beta? So in the carboxylation, how to remove the CO2 molecule called as what? Decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. Now we take the chemical reactions. So when the sodium carboxylate, so we take the reaction RCOONA called as what here? Sodium carboxylate. So when the sodium carboxylate, it's called as what here beta? So when the sodium carboxylate on reaction with sodium hydroxide, in presence of sodium hydroxide, so in this reaction take place in presence of CaO called as a calcium oxide. Clear? So how the reaction take place? So in this reaction the compound are formed called as the alkane. It means remove of the CO2 from the sodium carboxylate called as the decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. So here CO2 are lost, remaining this one hydrogen are attached to what here? These are, so what we get? We get R single bond H. Now remaining atom are rearranged. So this one Na, what we take here? Na2. Remaining this one carbon, how many oxygen? 3 oxygen. So CO3. So it is called as what here? Sodium carbonate. What here beta? Sodium carbonate, or it is also called as what here? Washing soda. Okay, it is also called as a washing soda, and the product is formed called as a alkane. What here beta? Alkane. So now how to write the explanation? So when the sodium carboxylate react with sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide to form the alkane and loss of sodium carbonate or washing soda. So the process in which the remove of the CO2 molecule called decarboxylation of what here? Decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. Now it's example number first. Now we take the example number second. This R replaced by the CH3 and this CONA. It is called what here? So it is called as the sodium acetate. Sodium acetate or sodium carboxylic acetate on react with NaOH in presence of heat, what we get? Similarly this CO2 are lost, clear, and H attached to these carbons. So this H3 plus 1H, what we get here? CH4 plus loss of Na2CO3. It is called as a member of alkane, especially first member of alkane contain one carbon called what here? Methane. So it is the second example of what? Decarboxylation of what here? The sodium carboxylic acid or sodium acetate. Clear hai beta? Further, now we take the second reaction. Now second reaction is called what here beta? Reduction of carboxylic acid. What here? Reduction of carboxylic acid. You know, it is the last reaction of aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid unit. Okay, so reduction means the addition of a hydrogen in the carboxylic acid to reduction of carboxylic acid. So the reduction process are take place in presence of special reducing agent like LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. It easily reduce what here, the carboxylic acid. Second, diborane B2H6 called as diborane. These two reagents are reduce easily the what here, carboxylic acid, or the reduction take place with the help of lithium aluminum hydride or boron hydride or diborane. What here, diborane. Okay beta. But here the NaBH4 sodium borohydride does not reduced what, carboxylic acid. क्लियर है बेटा. अगर रिएक्शन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट हुआ तो रिएक्शन का जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है वो रिड्यूस नहीं होगा. इट मीन्स द रिएक्शन reduction of always the carboxylic acid take place in presence of LiLH4 and B2H6 does not what here, the NaBH4, it does not reduce the carboxylic acid, what, sodium borohydride or boron hydride. Now it is the chemical reactions, how the reaction take place. So when carboxylic acid is RCOH is react with 2 into 2, how many hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. So what we get here, so this reaction take place in presence of LiLH4 और सेकंड कौन सा रिएजेंट है बेटा, B2H6 called as boron hydride. Clear how the reaction take place. So this one H and this one H will be write as RCH2OH plus remaining part, how many H added here, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, remaining 2 hydrogen will be goes as what here, the H2O. What here beta, the loss of H2O. So it is called as what here beta, alcohol. What here, the alcohol. Now we take some example different reaction here. Question asked in examination, complete the following reaction. So this reaction depend on this first, decarboxylation of carboxylic acid, second reduction of carboxylic acid. Now the question here beta, okay, first question what here, complete the following reactions. Question is that complete the following reactions. ये question है बेटा. Number first reaction. So when the C6H5CONA is react with NaOH, what we get? Question mark. Question number 2. So when the CH3COH is react with a 4 hydrogen in presence of LiAlH4. Question number 3. The C6H5COH is react with the 4 hydrogen in presence of B2H6. Clear? Now next number 4, CH3COOH, or what we take here the example, CH3CH2COH plus 2 hydrogen in presence of NaBH4. तो ये क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करना है बेटा. क्लियर है, इजी क्वेश्चन है. इफ द रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक टेक प्लेस, so it always take place in presence of LiLH4 and B2H6. LiLH4 called lithium aluminum hydride and B2H4 called what here, the diborane. But the NaBH4 does not give the product. It means the NaBH4 sodium borohydride does not reduce the carboxylic acid. It does not give the product. ठीक है, तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपको है. पहला क्वेश्चन, so what here, sodium benzoate react with NaOH, what we get first. Second react question, CH3COH 4H, what we get. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 ये 3 रिएक्शन आप यानी रिएक्शन नंबर फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ ये आपको कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा, आपके लिए होमवर्क है, ठीक है। इजी क्वेश्चन है, ये जो क्वेश्चन है क्या पे डिपेंड है बेटा, इट डिपेंड अपॉन द व्हाट हियर, द फर्स्ट डी कार्बो ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड मीन्स द प्रोसेस इन विच द रिमूव ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, व्हाट हियर the process in which the remove of a carbon dioxide called as the decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. Second, reduction with addition of hydrogen 2H2 or what here 2H2 or we also write as what here or 4 hydrogen. Clear beta? So what we get alcohol. The carboxylic acid are reduced in presence of strong reducing agent like LiLH4 or B2H4. The NaBH4 does not reduce the carboxylic acid, it means does not give the product, ठीक है। तो ये दोनों पे क्वेश्चन डिपेंड है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, इनके आपको प्रोडक्ट के नेम भी लिखने हैं। जैसे यहाँ पे हमने लिखा ना, यहाँ क्या लिखा आपने, सोडियम से क्या मिल रहा है, मीथेन मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे अल्कोहल मिल रहा है, तो यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगा, आपको रिएक्शन कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक है। तो बड़े इस तरीके से हमारा यहाँ पर पूरा पोर्शन कंप्लीट हुआ। व्हाट हियर द फर्स्ट पॉइंट हियर अल्डिहाइड, कीटोन एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, ये पूरा जो टॉपिक है, यूनिट है, यहाँ पे फिनिश हुआ। अब जो भी डाउट वगैरह प्रॉब्लम है तो आप पर्सनली कॉल करके या व्हाट्सएप पे यानी क्वेश्चन सेंड करके आप पूछ सकते हैं, ओके बेटा। तो यहाँ पर आपका जो सेकंड पार्ट का जो पोर्शन है वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली फिनिश होता है, ठीक है। उसका एक यूनिट बाकी है हमारा, वो कौन सा यूनिट है हमारा, बायोमोलिक्यूल्स, ठीक है। तो बायोमोलिक्यूल्स एक यूनिट वो हमारा बाकी है, और एक है केमिस्ट्री इन एवरीडे ऑफ लाइफ, ठीक है। तो फिनिश हो गया हमारा, सिर्फ एक ही बाकी है बायोमोलिक्यूल्स, और एक इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री और ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री। तो बायोमोलिक्यूल्स एंड ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री जो यूनिट है हमारा वो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। अब जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जो रहेगा आपका वो डिपेंड रहेगा काय के ऊपर, बायोमोलिक्यूल्स के ऊपर, ठीक है। तो आपको अच्छे से उसको स्टडी करनी है, ठीक है। तो बायोमोलिक्यूल्स हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। यानी आपका जो पोर्शन है सेकंड पार्ट 90% नेप्रोलॉजी में यहाँ पे फिनिश हुआ, आपके 2 चैप्टर बाकी है, बायोमोलिक्यूल्स एंड सेकंड स्कोर इज व्हाट हियर द ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री, ओके। थैंक यू सो मच।